In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome when it starts opening unwanted sites on a new tab automatically. We've all been there. You're trying to surf the web or get some work done, but those annoying tabs and ads just keep popping up out of nowhere. Fortunately, I've got a simple series of steps to help you regain control of your browser and enjoy a hassle-free browsing experience once again. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your device. At the top right corner, you'll notice there's a three-dot icon. This is where you'll find a lot of handy settings you can customize to enhance your browsing security. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, scroll your mouse to hover over the option labeled Extensions. This might be tucked away, but it's crucial for tackling unwanted pop-ups. Click on Manage Extensions from the submenu that appears. This will lead you to a new page displaying all the extensions currently active on your browser. Extensions can often be the culprits behind these unwanted sites and annoying pop-ups, especially if you've unknowingly installed a rogue or malicious one. Here, take a few moments to review the list. You want to look for anything suspicious or unfamiliar. Once you've identified any unwanted extensions, click on the Remove button. And, while it might sound drastic, if you're experiencing a lot of problems, it can sometimes help to start fresh by removing all extensions, especially if you're unsure which one might be causing the trouble. With your extensions addressed, our next move is to reset your Chrome settings. Return to the main settings menu by clicking again on the three-dot icon at the top right. From here, choose Settings. You'll find a wealth of options here that control how Chrome behaves. For now, focus on scrolling down until you see Reset Settings. This can be quite a game changer. Click on it to open a confirmation dialog. Then, you want to select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This will ensure any configuration that might have been altered either by you or by some unwanted software gets reverted back to Chrome's original setup, helping to eliminate any pesky settings or redirection rules that were wreaking havoc. Finally, confirm by choosing Reset Settings from the dialog box that appears. Take a deep breath. You're doing great. Once you've completed these steps, it's a fantastic idea to restart your browser. This isn't just about closing the tabs, but actually shutting down Chrome and reopening it. By following these simple yet effective steps, you should find that your unwanted pop-up problem has been resolved, bringing your browsing experience back to normal. If all goes well, this should help you steer clear of those pesky pop-ups going forward, making for a smoother, more reliable browsing experience. If you've followed along successfully, congratulations on reclaiming your browser.